He's crying, honey. Because we really love that chicken.
Papa. What? She's not barking, oh, look, oh. She's sleeping.
So who's barking?
Nobody. Probably the dog next door.
Why don't you go see? Have a look next door.
We already did. We went there, oh. We went down there. Nothing. I don't know my chicken.
Oh.
Because after I talked to you, right, I watched TV, then I went out to go play, right, and go feed him. Then I tried to find him. He's not to be found. So first I went
Have a look underneath.
underneath.
Have a look underneath the car.
That's the first place I looked. Underneath the car, I went to the side of the house. I went to the back of the house, nothing. I went in the terrace, nothing. Yeah, but what I did, you know that one, huh? The feed. You know his feed. Every time I get that and I bounce it like this, I do this to the ground. And here's the feed. He comes running to me. So what I did that again because maybe he was just hiding. I did that many times. He didn't come. I even put feed in his new bowl, the yellow bowl. Nothing.
Ay, pagkain niya nga yan eh.
Ay, yung ginagawa ko kanina, ginaganto ko yan kasi minsan pag ginaganto ko siya, kung gusto ko siya kunin, ginaganto ko lang yung page na yan, oh. Tapos lalapit siya.
We will just buy na lang when you want.
Ano man?
Anong gagawin? Kasalanan ba ni mami mo? Kasalanan ba namin? Sabi ko sa'yo itali, hindi man katwera mo, hindi itali.
Hindi, ako kasi may kasalanan ko kasi nga pinakawalan ko kanina dahil gustong-gusto niya makawala sa cage niya. Ayun nga, nandun siya sa kulungan niya talaga. Eh, pinakawalan ko siya dahil tumatalon-talon siya, gusto niyang, friend naman siya sa mga aso eh.
Kaya nga.
Tsaka bago ako matulog, nagkukumpulan sila si
And the
Trixie.
gates open na nga, oh. Look. What?
Open the gate. Right.
Eh?
His feet in the plastic bucket. And go like that outside somewhere.
Yeah, that's what I already did. I did don't need to pay. He's already in the bucket. I did this. Nothing.
Pwede rin lumabas, may dumang po.
We'll have another room.
Hindi pag-iinteresan.
Hindi nga interested me.
Ang inaano ko baka naano ng pusa.
Wala namang pusa dito.
Take lollipop with you.
Hindi, tsaka pag inano ng pusa yun, maririnig natin eh.
Oo.
Sisigaw yun eh.
Umalis na yun.
Take lollipop.
Sayang.